Environmental side hustles are gaining traction as innovative ways to earn money while positively impacting the environment. These ventures range from small-scale gardening to freelance sustainability consulting. The rise in their popularity can be attributed to increasing environmental awareness and the desire to make a meaningful difference. People are seeing the dual benefits these hustles provide: extra income and active participation in environmental preservation. By engaging in environmentally friendly income-generating activities, individuals contribute to sustainable living practices that benefit both the economy and the planet. Starting a local gardening or compost collection service offers a lucrative opportunity with significant environmental benefits. Setting up such services involves selecting appropriate equipment, identifying target markets, and promoting sustainable practices. The potential earnings vary, but with increasing consumer interest in sustainability, the financial outlook is promising. These services not only generate income, but also play a crucial role in waste reduction and promoting local food production, enhancing the overall health of the community's ecosystem. This dual benefit makes gardening and composting services appealing to environmentally conscious entrepreneurs. The market for eco-friendly products is expanding rapidly, offering numerous opportunities for selling items like homemade soaps and upcycled goods. Entrepreneurs can utilize various platforms, from online marketplaces to local eco-fairs, to reach a broader audience. Sourcing products sustainably is crucial, focusing on materials that are organic, recycled, or responsibly harvested. Effective marketing strategies should highlight the environmental impact of these products, catering to the growing number of consumers seeking green alternatives. Emphasizing the sustainability and unique story of the products can significantly enhance market appeal and customer loyalty. Starting a blog or YouTube channel focused on sustainability can be an impactful way to spread awareness and earn income. Initiating such a digital presence requires clarity on niche topics such as zero-waste lifestyle, renewable energy, or ethical fashion. Building an audience involves consistent quality content, engagement through comments, and collaboration with other eco-content creators. Monetizing approaches can include ad revenues, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing specifically with eco-friendly brands. Partnering with these brands not only bolsters credibility, but also supports the wider green movement by promoting sustainable products and services. Organizing educational workshops and eco-tours requires thorough planning and understanding of logistics, from securing locations to sourcing materials. These events can generate considerable income and offer significant community benefits, such as increased environmental awareness and local economic boosts. To ensure these workshops and tours are engaging and informative, incorporate interactive elements, hands-on activities, and expert speakers. Utilizing local resources and highlighting local conservation efforts can maximize impact. Effective marketing through social media, local partnerships, and community centers will attract attendees and enhance the educational value of the events.